In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google is not responding problem. For this, first of all, we have to go our mobile settings, then scroll down and find out apps option, and here we are. Tap on this. Now click the search icon on the upper right corner. Now search Google. Now you can see the Google application is here. Click on this. Now scroll down. Now click storage option. After click the storage option, you can see there are two options. One of is clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Yeah, we are done. Now our problem is solved. So let's prove it. I'm gonna open my Google application, and here you can see my Google application is running right now. So in this simple process you can fix your problem. So I hope you understand this video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.